all. I hope you all are doing well. So let's begin with chapter number 32 of GK for class 2, and the name of the chapter is sources of energy. So हमें पता है कि हमारे environment में there are various sources of energy, right? ऐसे बहुत सारे sources हैं जिनके through हमें energy मिलती है, right? Whether it can be wind energy, solar energy or many more energies, right? So इस chapter में हम लोग उन्हीं sources of energy के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, right? Let's find out. So can you name the source of energy that is being used in or produced in each of these pictures? तो हमें अब इन पिक्चर्स के थ्रू ये बताना है कि इस पिक्चर को देख के हमें क्या पता चल रहा है कि कौन सी एनर्जी या तो यहाँ पे प्रोड्यूस हो रही है या फिर कौन सी एनर्जी यहाँ पर क्रिएट हो रही है, राइट? यू कैन चूज वर्ड्स फ्रॉम दी हेल्प बॉक्स एंड आप हेल्प बॉक्स की मदद से यहाँ पर वर्ड्स को यूज कर सकते हो, राइट? सो लेट्स बिगिन. As we can see in the first image, it is a train and it is moving with the help of a natural resource named as electricity, right? So we write electricity over here. Electricity. After that, the next image we can see that it is a jet, right? And it is flying with the help of the fuel. Hence, it is using the source named as fuel. So we'll write jet fuel over here, right? So jet fuel is also considered as a resource. After that, we can see that the windmills are standing here, और windmills की मदद से हमें पता है कि wind energy produce होती है. So we'll write wind over here. Wind. W-I-N-D. Wind. After that, we have a picture of a dam, right? और इस dam में we can see that the natural resource water is being used. So we'll write water over here. W-A-T-E-R. Water. After that, in the next image we can see that a car is over here. और हमें पता है कि कार जो है वो एक नेचुरल फ्यूल की मदद से चलती है जिसका नाम है पेट्रोल. So we'll write petrol over here because petrol is being consumed. And petrol is also considered as a natural resource. After that, in the next image, we can see that they are using wood and coal for burning and preparing their food, right? So we'll write wood and coal over here. Wood and coal. So that's all for this chapter. I hope you all have learned more about the natural resources and the sources of energy. So thank you so much and have a great day ahead.